Replacing the connecting rod bearings. Welcome to the Bosch Homogenizers Academy. In this session, we will show you how to replace the connecting rod bearings. Start by removing any oil lines that are in the way. This will give you the space to properly access the components. Next, rotate the crankshaft into a position that allows you to place a wrench on the connecting rod nuts. Now loosen the nuts, but be careful that the bolts do not turn while loosening. Remove only the bottom bolt. This prevents the connecting rod from falling down during the work. Push the connecting rod forward so that you can inspect the bearing. You can do this by rotating the crankshaft. Then carefully remove the bearing cap. If you notice that the bearing shells are worn, replace them. Now rotate the crankshaft back to the connecting rod. Place the bearing cap back into its position. When installing the new bearing shells, pay close attention to ensure the locating pin falls correctly into the hole of the bearing. First, tighten the nut hand tight onto the top bolt so that it cannot come loose. Next, insert this bottom bolt. Tighten the nuts firmly and ensure that you tighten the nuts to the correct torque using the specified torque setting. This is crucial to prevent damage from occurring during the machine's operation. Now check if the crankshaft rotates smoothly without any obstruction. This is an important check to ensure proper assembly. If everything is assembled correctly, place the oil lines back into their original position. Thank you for following this training. With these steps, you ensure that connecting rod bearings are replaced correctly and safely, which is essential for the reliable operation of the machine.